What's up guys, Art of GrimmSpeed, and I'm out in the engineering area today to show off a brand new product we're introducing. It is not this is the thing that's replacing. This is the OEM pitch stop mount. You can see it in your car right here. It attaches to the firewall mount and then a transmission mount, and it is right in the name. It stops the pitch of the transmission and the engine, especially during hard acceleration and deceleration, shifting, cornering, but the OEM one leaves a lot to be desired. It's got a lot of flex since it's made out of this kind of skinny plastic material. The bushings are a little flimsy. You can bend them with your fingers. We've made an improved version of this that you're going to like a lot. So I'm going to take our brand new GrimmSpeed shop vehicle over to this new product. So while I've been busy riding the new shop scooter, our assemblers have been putting together a bunch of these brand new pitch stop mounts. Why don't we pop one out of the box and we'll show you exactly how it compares to the OEM unit. So first and foremost, you'll notice a warranty and package by card, nice GrimmSpeed sticker, and some heavy duty packaging, basically to make sure that it arrives with no scratches, dents, anything like that. The other thing you'll notice when you pop it out of the box is exactly how heavy duty this unit is compared to the stock one. You can see before that this one has a decent amount of flex. The GrimmSpeed unit is machined from 6061 billet aluminum, so it's extremely solid. It's also machined with these 3 holes here. That's both for lightweight reasons and then for aesthetics as well. It's anodized over the top, and then you have laser engraving with the GrimmSpeed logo on either end, either of which you can have up. You also see these bright red 80 durometer bushings. These are nice and solid without being so solid that it makes your ride uncomfortable, but a lot more stiff than the OEM ones, which I could just adjust with my finger here. So it looks great on its own, but we think it looks even better in the car. Why don't we hop down to our shop 18WRX and check out exactly what it looks like. So why don't you guys come in, you can take a look at what the unit looks like installed on our shop WRX. It looks pretty good, and the installation is incredibly easy as well. If you have a top mount, you do have to take that off first, which isn't the hardest task in the world, but other than that, it's just these 2 bolts. So if you're rocking a front mount especially, the install is incredibly easy on something like this. Now, as far as drivability, the bushings are a harder durometer, and so you are going to experience a little bit more vibration over stock, especially when you crank the starter, turn the car on. You'll notice it. After a couple of days, you won't even pay any attention to it. But when you are accelerating hard, decelerating hard, you'll notice that everything stays more solid because you eliminated more of that pitch from the engine and the transmission. Now, as far as fitments, this fits all the biggies, 02 to 20 WRX and STI, and then you have generations of Legacy, of Outback, Forester, Crosstrek that it also fits. There's a lot of them. It's almost a universal fitment, so check on our website just to make sure it fits your car before you buy it. And speaking of buying it, they're available now. You can pick one up on our website. They're $99. Otherwise, if you're seeing this video before December 12th of 2019, we are running a group buy right now. So hop on our Instagram page. You'll see the link in our profile, and you can get a special group buy pricing on it before they're out to everyone else. So this is a product we're extremely excited about, obviously. One of the main reasons is because it's such an improvement over the stock unit. It's something that you're definitely going to feel when you buy, and aesthetically wise, it's just going to look a lot better, especially if you pull up at a show, you're looking good, you pull up at the track, and it's functioning good as well. So if you have any questions on this, hit us up on our email, support@grimmspeed.com, hop on our webpage, check out the description on this part, and hopefully you like it as much as we do.